start chapter 12, that is equation in one variable. Okay, so before we start with our topic, let us do few revision. The value of the variable which satisfies a given equation is called as the solution of the equation. Solving an equation means to find the solution of that equation. Third point is the equation obtained by performing the same operation on both sides does not change its solution. Using this property, we obtain new but simpler equation and solve the given equation. The operations done on both sides of an equation are to add the same number on both sides. That means given any equation, we can add the same number on both sides of the equation. Then we can subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. We can multiply both sides of the equation by the same number. And lastly, we can divide both the sides by the same non-zero number. Note one thing, that when you divide both the sides, we need to keep in mind that the number should be non-zero while dividing both sides with that equation. Let us do an activity. In this activity, we need to fill the boxes to solve the following equations. So the first one is x plus 4 is equal to 9. In order to find the value of x, first we will subtract 4 from both the sides. So here we have minus 4 and minus 4. So here plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled, and on the right hand side you'll be left with 9 minus 4. And 9 minus 4 is 5. The value of x is 5. Look at the second example. It says x minus 2 is equal to 7. And we have to add 2 on both the sides. So on your left hand side, minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled, and on the right hand side you'll be left with 7 plus 2. So we have x is equal to 9. Hence the value of x is 9. Look at the third example. We have x upon 3 is equal to 4. So in order to find the value of x, we multiply both the sides by 3. On your left hand side, 3 from the denominator and 3 from the numerator will get cancelled, and you will have x is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. So the value of x is 12. Look at the fourth example. It says 4x is equal to 24. In order to find the value of x, we will divide both the sides by 4. On your left hand side, 4 from the denominator and the numerator will get cancelled, and in your right hand side we have 4, 6 are 24. That means 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the value of x is 6. Let us do one practice sum that solves the following equation. So we have 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 into x plus 4. First we'll start by multiplying both sides by 5. So 5 into 2 in the bracket x minus 3 equal to 3 upon 5 into 5 into in the bracket x plus 4. So we'll cancel 5, and from here we'll have 10. So we have 10 into x minus 3 equal to 3 into x plus 4. That is how we get the next step. So I'll erase this. So 10 into x minus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 4. In the next step, we'll multiply the 10 inside the bracket in your left hand side and multiply the 3 inside the bracket in your right hand side. So we'll get 10x minus 30 is equal to 3x plus 12. Now we'll add 30 to both the sides. So after adding 30 on both sides, we get 10x minus 30 plus 30 equal to 3x plus 12 plus 30. On your left hand side, minus 30 and plus 30 will get cancelled, and you'll be left with 10x on your left hand side. And on your right hand side, 12 plus 30 will give you 42, and we'll keep this 3x as it is. So you have 10x is equal to 3x plus 42. Now we subtract 3x from both the sides. We get 10x minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 42 minus 3x. So this plus 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So we have 7x is equal to 42. Then you divide both the sides by 7 and you get 7x upon 7 is equal to 42 upon 7. So here the 7 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and 42 divided by 7 is 6. So the value of this equation is x is equal to 6, or the solution of this equation is x is equal to 6. Practice set 12.1, the first sum. It says each equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are the solution of that equation. So the first one is x minus 4 equal to 3. So first what we'll do is we will add 4 on both sides. Adding 4 on both sides. So our equation will be x minus 4 plus 4 equal to 3 plus 4. On your left hand side, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. You'll be left with x, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the value is x is equal to 7, and we can say that x is equal to 7 is the solution of the given equation. Second one, 9m equal to 81. Let us start with the solution. Now you first divide both the sides by 9. We'll have 9m upon 9 equal to 81 upon 9. On your left hand side, 9 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator, and on your right hand side, 81 divided by 9 is 9 itself. So m is equal to 9 is the solution of the given equation. Next we have 2a plus 4 equal to 0, and the values of a, which of the following is the value of a? So 2 minus 2 or 1. Let us solve it. So first we will subtract 4 on both sides. So after subtracting 4 on both sides, we'll have 2a plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled, and you'll have a 2a equal to 4. Then we divide both sides by 2, because we have to find the value of a. Okay, so we'll divide both sides by 2 and we'll get 2a upon 2 equal to minus 4 upon 2. So 2 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. And hence the value of a is minus 2. Hence a equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Fourth sum is 3 minus y is equal to 4, and the values of y, which of the following is the value of y? So is it minus 1, 1 or 2? So first we will add y on both sides. So adding y on both sides. So adding y on both sides, we get 3 minus y plus y is equal to 4 plus y. So on your left hand side, minus y and plus y will get cancelled, and on your right hand side you'll have 4 plus y. So you have 3 is equal to 4 plus y. Now next what we can do is we have to subtract 4 from both sides. So by subtracting 4 on both sides, we get 3 minus 4 is equal to 4 plus y minus 4. So you have plus 4 and minus 4. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and on the right hand side we have y. So y equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us do question 2 of the same practice set, that is solve the following equations. We have to find the solution of the given equations. So let us do the first one. First one is 17p minus 2 equal to 49. Adding 2 on both sides, so we get 17 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 49 plus 2. So on your left hand side, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, and we have 17p is equal to 49 plus 2, that is 51. Next, we divide both sides by 17. So dividing both sides by 17, we get 17p upon 17 is equal to 51 upon 17. 17 on your left hand side will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator, and 51 divided by 17 is 3. So the value of p is equal to 3. Hence we can say that p is a solution of this given equation. Second one is 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. So we have 2m plus 7 equal to 9. First we need to remove the 7 from here, which can be done by subtracting 7 from both sides. So we have 2m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 9 minus 7. On your left hand side, plus 7 and minus 7 will get cancelled, and we have 2m is equal to 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and we have 2m equal to 2. Now we divide both the sides by 2. So we'll have 2m upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2. So on your left hand side, 2 will get cancelled from the numerator and the denominator. Similarly, on your right hand side, 2 will get cancelled from the numerator and the denominator. So we get the value of m is equal to 1. Hence, m is equal to 1 is a solution of the given equation. Third one is 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. First, we subtract 12 from both the sides. So we get 3x plus 12 minus 12 equal to 2x minus 4 minus 12. On your right hand side, plus 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled, and we'll be left with only 3x. On your left hand side, minus 4 and minus 12 will get added, and 2x will write as it is. So minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. Hence we are left with 3x is equal to 2x minus 16. Now we subtract 2x from both sides. So we get 3x minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 16 minus 2x. On your right hand side, plus 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled, and you will be left with 3x minus 2x equal to minus 16. 3x minus 2x is x, and on your right hand side minus 16. Hence the value of x is minus 16. So we can finally say that minus 16 is the solution of the given equation. Fourth one, 5x minus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. First, what we'll do is we'll multiply the 5 inside the bracket on your left hand side. Then we multiply the 3 inside the bracket in your right hand side. So we have 5x minus 5 into 3, that is 15. 3 into x, that is 3x, and 3 into 2, that is 6. Now we'll add 15 on both the sides. So we get 5x minus 15 plus 15 is equal to 3x plus 6 plus 15. On your left hand side, minus 15 and plus 15 will get cancelled, and you'll be left with just 5x. And on your right hand side, 3x will write as it is, and 6 plus 15 will be 21. So we have the equation 5x is equal to 3x plus 21. Now subtracting 3x from both sides, we'll get 5x minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 21 minus 3x. So on your right hand side, plus 3x and minus 3x will get cancelled and you'll be left with 21 on your right hand side. On the left hand side, 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x and on the right hand side 21. Dividing both sides by 2, we will get 2x upon 2 equal to 21 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled from the numerator and the denominator on your left hand side, and you have x is equal to 21 upon 2. So the value of x, or we can say that x is equal to 21 upon 2, is the solution of the given equation. Fifth one is 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. First what we'll do is we will multiply both the sides by 8. So we'll have 8 into 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10 into 8. Now here we'll have to multiply the 8 inside the bracket, and that's how we get 9 upon 8x into 8 plus 8 into 1 equal to 10 into 8. So we have this step here, 9x upon 8 plus 1 into 8 is equal to 10 into 8. So in the first term, 8 from the denominator and 8 from the numerator will get cancelled, and we'll be left with 9x plus 1 into 8 is 8 and 10 into 8 is 80. So 9x plus 8 is equal to 80. Then we subtract 8 from both sides and we get 9x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 80 minus 8. So this plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled and we'll be left with 9x on your left hand side, and 80 minus 8, that is 72, will be on your right hand side. Next, divide both the sides by 9. So we have 9x upon 9 is equal to 72 upon 9. On your left hand side, 9 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator, and 9 divided by 2, 72 divided by 9 is 8. So the value of x is equal to 8. Hence finally we can say that x is equal to 8 is the solution of the given equation. Thank you students. The remaining part of the chapter will be done in the next video. Thank you.